So law of natural growth or decay. So it is nothing but increasing or decreasing. So based on the law of conservation, we are going to define that growth as well as decreasing. Okay. So here it is, we can see that first statement of this one. So here also the statement is very important. So state law of natural growth or decay, just like as state Newton's law of cooling, how we said, same pattern you people have to write about statement of law of natural growth. So here it is, we are taking that. Let us see the statement. Let x of t. So x of t be the amount, x of t be the amount of a substance, amount of a substance at time t, at time t, at time t. So we are taking as a amount of substance, some amount of substance we are taking, and that amount, how much amount we are taking, x amount we are taking, and based on that time we are taking that at time t, and let the substance and let the substance be converted chemically. So that is nothing but by chemical reaction. Suppose nothing but if you are taking in your chemistry lab, you people take some chemicals, and after some amount of chemicals you will take that one, and by adding some distilled water or some another liquid, after chemical reactions, what are the changes will happen? So that one only here we are saying that, and let the substance be converted chemically. After chemical reactions, whatever the after chemical reactions, whatever the substance remaining one, so that one, based on that we are defining this natural growth or decay. So based on a law of chemical conversion, a law of chemical conversion states that a law of chemical conversion states that the rate of change of the rate of change of amount, the rate of change of amount x of t of a chemically changing substance, chemically changing substance, chemically changing substance is proportional, is proportional to the amount of to the amount of the substance available, the substance available available at that time, at that time, available at that time. So here it is, a law of chemical conversion states that, what is stating that the rate of change of amount. So that is nothing but the rate of change is nothing but simply what we are saying, d by dt. Amount is nothing but here we are taking as amount of substance as x. So dx by dt of a chemical changing substance is proportional. So is proportional to, proportional to the amount of the substance available at that time. After applying chemical reaction, whatever the remaining amount of substance, that amount of substance we are taking. So what is that amount of substance? Generally what we chosen, x. Okay. So that is nothing but simply we are writing as dx by dt is proportional to x. So now we have to choose dx by dt is equal. So that proportionality constant we can choose as k. So it is equal to kx. Dx by dt is equal kx. So here it is based on that. So if you see that Newton's law of cooling, there we chosen as minus k for simply saying that reducing. But here it is having both are, we are discussing growth as well as decay. So growth is nothing but you have to choose as plus, and decay is nothing but minus. But k is a proportionality constant, and that k should be +1. So k is a proportionality constant, and that k should be +1. and only we are choosing minus and plus are nothing but depends on the based on the problem. So if it is growth is nothing but we'll choose as plus, and if it is minus is nothing but decay is nothing but minus we'll choose. Okay, so based on the problem. So if it is growth plus sum, if it is minus decay. Okay, so dx by dt is equal kx. Now we need to simplify this one by variable separable. By variable separable. So it means that you can separate the variables. It means x terms one side and rest of the terms on the side. So simply we can write dx by x is equal k dt. Dx by x is equal k dt, and applying integration on both sides on integrating integral dx by x is equal integral k dt, integral k dt. So and integral dx by x is nothing but 1 by x integration is log x, k is a constant, integral dt is nothing but kt, and constant we are choosing as log c. Then log x minus log c is equal, just we are taking that log c into left hand side, it changes to minus log c is equal kt. And then so if you observe that this is in the form of log a minus log b, and simply we can write this is nothing but log a by b. So log x by c is equal kt, and that implies by using the logarithm, simply how can we write this one? X by c is equal to e power kt. That implies x is equal c into e power kt. So this is the amount of substance we'll use for calculating that. So x is equal c e power kt. So this differential equation can also be can also describe in a simple way the population growth. So here it is, we said population growth, we discussed population decay and radioactive decay, etc. Radioactive decay, etc. So in this case we'll say that. Okay, so this is the procedure we have to apply if it is a law of natural growth or decay. So here it is, growth is nothing but simply we chosen as here plus symbolum. If it is a minus, it means it is decreasing. So then in that case you need to take it as minus. So that is based on the problem, we'll choose that one. Okay, so based on the problem we have to choose either it may be plus or it may be minus. So that problem understanding is very important. First you need to understand whether that is increasing one or decreasing one. If it is an increasing one, simply you can write it as plus. If it is a decreasing one, you need to write it as minus. And then calculation part as usual, just like as Newton's law of cooling, how we did same pattern. So in Newton's law of cooling, when initial one, what about that temperature of the body, and after 10 minutes what about temperature of the body, and next after 20 minutes what about the temperature of the body. Just in the similar manner here also same pattern you need to follow that. First you need to initial one, what about the amount of substance, after few minutes so what are the changes happens in that particular substance, after few minutes what are the changes, like that you need to simplify that one. Okay, so pattern looking like as the same Newton's law of cooling, but only the difference there and here is nothing but there we discussed only reducing, but here it is you need to apply both based on the problem, either it may be increasing or it may be decreasing. So that question is very important. Okay, now let us see the problems on that. First one, problems on law of natural growth or decay. So first problem here it is. The number n of bacteria in a culture grew at a rate proportional to n. So it means simply there it is beside the amount of substance. Here it is they chosen as number of bacteria. That amount of substance they chosen as here n. The value of n, the value of n was initially 100. So initially in the sense at time t equal to 0 and increases to 332. 332 in 1 hour. In 1 hour, what was the value of n after 1.5 hour? 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. So this is a question they mentioned. Okay. The number of bacteria in a culture grew at a rate proportional to n. So number of bacteria, amount of substance here they chosen as number of bacterium. So that amount of substance here it is they chosen as n. In a culture grew at a rate proportional to n. So that is nothing but in a simple statement they mentioned here it is if you observe that. So based on the time, the number of bacteria is increasing. So that is nothing but dn by dt is proportional to n. So this is the one. There we chose an amount of substance x generally, but here that amount of substance specifically they mention the name itself as number of bacteria. So that's why we are writing here dn by dt is proportional to n. So that is simply we can write it as dn by dt is equal. So here it is. Can we choose k or minus k? So based on the problem, here it is see here the value of n was initially 100 and increases to 332 in 1 hour. Within 1 hour, it changes to how much? 332. Is it increases or decreases? Of course, they only mention in problem clearly increases. So for that, here we have to choose as k, and where k is a proportionality constant and that k should be positive. And now you can simplify this one. So by variable separable. So by variable separable. By variable separable, simply what we can write here it is dn by n is equal k dt. Just I separated the variables n terms one side and remaining another side. And now integrating on both sides. On integrating integral dn by n is equal dn by n is equal, so k is a constant, we can write outside of the integrand k integral dt. Then dn by n is nothing but simply what we can write log n. So log n is equal k into integral dt is nothing but t plus constant. So that constant we are choosing as log c. And next take this log c into left hand side. There it is having plus, when it comes to this side minus. So log n minus log c is equal to kt. And next if you observe that this is in the form of log a minus log b. And how can we write this one? By using logarithmic formula, simply we can write log a by b, that is nothing but log n by c is equal to kt. And by using the logarithms, simply how can we write this one? N by c is equal to e power kt. So n is equal c e power kt. So what's the difference between the procedure and there and here? Only the difference is there they mentioned amount of substance. Here we chosen as that amount of substance is number of bacteria, and let it be taken as 1. Now coming to the problem and take as this. Same like as previous one. In Newton's law of cooling, how we did same procedure. First, you need to find the value of C by taking the initial condition. What about initial condition? The value of N was initially 100. Okay, so initially how much number of bacteria is 100. So that is nothing but simply how can we write that one? At T is equal to 0. At T is equal to 0, the number of bacteria how much? 100. So when T is equal to 0, number of bacteria is 100. Substitute this one in equation 1. So by substituting these values in equation 1, simply what we'll get? 100 is equal, so C into e power k into, so the value of T is 0. Then simply what we can write? 100 is equal C into e power 0. Anything power 0 is 1, and simply we can substitute in that, then we get C value. Now you can substitute that C value in equation 1. Then what we'll get? N is equal to 100 into e power KTM. So e power KT. Let it be taken as 2. Now, so there it is. So by taking initial condition, we got the value of C. Now we have to take another condition. What is that another condition? Within 1 hour, how much it is increasing? 332. Number of bacteria is increasing 332 from 100 to 332. It means at T is equal to 1 hour. So T is equal to 1 hour. The number of bacteria increases to what? 332. So substitute this one in equation 2. So now from equation 2, so you can substitute in that. Then what we'll get? 332 is equal to 100 into e power kt. So k into t is nothing but 1. So for that e power k. So then 332 is equal to 100 into e power k. And then, so simply we can take this one 100 into this side. 332 by 100 is equal e power k. Okay, so e power k. And next you can calculate, you can take logarithm on both sides. Taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, and then simply what we'll get? Log 332 by 100 is equal log e power k. And don't forget it, here we are writing log is nothing but that is coming under base e, and which is equal. So there is no change in that. Simply you can write as this log 332 by 100 is equal. So this is in the form of log a power m, and simply we can write m log a. So that is nothing but k log e. So log e base e is equal to 1, and then k is equal. Simply what we can write? Log 332 by 100. So same like as Newton's law of cooling. See that we are not doing any changes. First, there also we calculated C value by taking initial condition, and next by taking another condition, we found the value of K. Now what we need to calculate? So what was the value of N? So the number of bacteria we need to calculate after 1.5 hour. So that is nothing but simply how can we write that one? So when T is equal, time T is equal 1.5 hour. So that is nothing but this is a mixed fraction. So simply how can we write that one? So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. That is nothing but 3 by 2. Or if you want, you can change into minutes, the complete problem. So here 1 hour we chosen no. In 1 hour, simply what we can write? 60 minutes. And 1.5 hour is nothing but 90 minutes. So either the complete problem should be in terms of hours or in terms of minutes. Okay, so one is in minutes, another one is hours, means obviously your problem will go to wrong. So only the difference you need to identify that the complete problem you should solve in hours or in minutes. I chosen in hours only, that's why I'm taking as is what they mentioned in the question. If you want to change in minutes, simply you can write here t is equal 60 minutes, and here also 1.5 hour is nothing but 90 minutes. So by taking 90 minutes, we can calculate it. So when t is equal to 3 by 2, and simply you can substitute in equation 2. So from equation 2, so what about equation 2? N is equal to 100 into e power kt. E power kt. So next, which is equal to 100 into e power. So t is nothing but already we calculated. So that is, and k is nothing but what we got it, log 332 by 100. So this is equal 100 into. So if you observe this, this is in the form of e power m log m. Simply what we can write, log 332 by 100 whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So this is nothing but simply we can write e power log a is nothing but 100 into. So e power log a is nothing but simply what we'll get, 332 by 100. 332 by 100 whole power 3 by 2. So by simplifying this, you will get 6n is equal number of bacteria increases to 605. Of course, you may get it as 604.999. Okay, so 604.999, like you people will get it. There is nothing but approximately we'll choose round off this one 605. the number of bacteria increases up to 605. That's it. Okay. So see the difference. Only here the problem is they give mention is here it is having increases. So if it is increases means we have to choose as positive proportional constant, that is nothing but k. If it is decreases means minus k you will choose. And next same procedure we applied in the procedure, whatever we applied same like that, just we separated the variables. After separating the variables, we applied integration, and then we got an equation as n is equal c e power kt. And we chose an initial condition here it is at t is equal to 0. What about n? 100. They only mentioned in the problem itself. By taking that condition, we calculated c value. And next, by taking another condition at t equal to 1 hour, n is equal to 332. By taking that, we need to find the value of k. And last, what they asked, by taking that time, we calculated the number of bacteria. It means after 1.5 hours, the number of bacteria increases to 605. Okay. So that's it. This is the solution for law of natural growth or decay. So this problem consisting of only growth, not decay. A bacterial culture growing exponentially increases from 100 to 400 grams in 10 hours. So it means initially 100 and it increases to 400 grams within 10 hours. How much was present after 3 hours from the initial instant? Okay. So it means what they mentioned from the initial instantum. So it means after 10 hours. So from t equal to 0, after 10 hours, so the it increases to 400 grams. They are asking that from the initial instant, what about after 3 hours? It means the result, the value should be less than 400 we need to get in the answer. Okay. But is it increasing or decreasing? Is it increases or decreases? So initially 100, after 10 hours, is it increases or decreases? 400 grams means obviously it is increasing, right? So for that same procedure you need to apply. So what we applied for that one. Okay. So let us see that. So yeah, checking. So it's Sargam. So here it is first as is dn by dt. This complete one as is, there is no change in that. Dn by dt is proportional to n. And then dn by dt is equal k dt. Why? Because it is increasing. So that is kn. So where k should be greater than 0. And next dn by n is equal k dt. So by variable separable on integrating, simply what we got it there, log n is equal k t plus log c. And next we took that log c into right hand side, it changes to log n minus log c is equal kt. And then by applying log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b. So log n by c is equal to kt, and n by c is equal e power kt. N by c is equal e power kt, and then n is equal c into e power kt. C into e power kt. Okay, this is as is well. We didn't change anything in that. Previous problem, what we wrote, as is sum. Now we have to take the given one when t is equal to 0. Time initially, what about number of bacteria? How much? 100. So you can substitute this one in equation 1. So substituting this one in equation 1, then so equation 1 is nothing but n is equal c e power kt. So n is nothing but 100. So is equal c into e power k into initially time t equal to how much? 0. So that is nothing but 100 is equal to c. So anything for 0 is 1. So c is equal to 100. Now you can substitute this one in equation 1. So equation 1, if you substitute in that, what will get? N is equal 100 into e power kt. Let it be taken as equation 2. Now you can substitute in that. So n is equal to 100 into e power kt. So now second condition, what is that? at t is equal 10 hours, time 10 hours, and number of bacteria is how much? Number of bacteria is equal 400 grams. And now you can substitute these things in equation 2. So then 400 is equal 100 into e power k into time is 10 hours. And next 400 by 100 is equal e power 10k. And next here it is, these two cancel, 100 fours are. So 4 is equal to e power 10k. And then, so here it is taking log on both sides, log 4 is equal log e power 10k. And then log 4 is equal. So this is in the form of log a power m, and we can write m log a. So 10k log e. So log 4 is equal. So 10k log e base is nothing but 1. And that implies k is equal. So take this 10 into this side, 1 by 10 log 4. 1 by 10 log 4. This is the value of k. So C value by taking first condition, and K value will take second condition. Okay. So here it is. Next one. Now we can take another one. So when after 3 hours, so that is nothing but simply what we can choose when T is equal 3 hours. T is equal 3 hours. Now we have to take equation 2. Since from equation 2, what we know that n is equal 100 e power kt. So n is equal 100 into e power ktm. So k into t is nothing but how many hours? 3 hours. So which is equal 100 into e power 3 into k is nothing but 1 by 10 into log 4. 1 by 10 into log 4. So 100 into e power. So 3 into 1 by 10 is nothing but 3 by 10 log 4. So this is equal 100 into e power. This is in the form of m log a. Simply we can write as log a power m. So 4 power 3 by 10. So e power log a is nothing but simply what we can write 100 into 4 power whole power 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So this is equal, simply we got it as 151.57. 151.57. Okay. So this is the one. So number of bacteria n is equal, simply we can write 151. And don't think as this is must be increasing. So there asks that from the initial instant. From the initial instant, n is equal to how much? 151. Okay. So it means for 3 hours. So from 0 into 3 hours, the number of bacteria is 151 grams. After 10 hours, from initial to 10 hours, the number of bacteria is 400. Okay. So this is the one. Bacterial culture. Bacterial culture growing exponentially. So growing, obviously it is also increasing exponentially. Increases from 200 to 500 grams. Just by seeing the question, you can easily say that what will get the C value, right? Initially, how much it is? That is only C value, right? In the period from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. How many grams will be present at noon? This is the question. So very important one. Number of times they ask this one. So here it is. What they mentioned the question: a bacterial culture growing exponentially increases from 200 grams to 500 grams in the period. So till now what we solved first two problems, specifically they mentioned the time, but here it is they mentioned the periodum. So it means that from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. is nothing but how much it is? 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. is nothing but 3 hours, right? 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. How many grams will be present at noon? So noon is nothing but what we'll say that generally afternoon. So morning. So morning is nothing but up to 11:59. So 12 onwards we'll call it as afternoon. So it means noon is nothing but what they asked to find at 12 a.m. So from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. what about the number of bacteria? Okay, is it clear? So a bacterial culture growing exponentially increases. This is common thing from 200 to 500 grams in the period from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. And it means 3 hours. The bacteria increases to 500 at afternoon 12 o'clock from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So it means total how many hours? 6 hours. So in 6 hours, what about the number of bacteria? So how much it will increases? Okay. So there is a one. Here it is. Only the difference between previous problems and this problem is only one thing. There it is. They mentioned specifically time 2 hours, 3 hours, but here they mentioned period. Time they mentioned 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. How what about? And 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So noon is nothing but 12. So 12 p.m. So 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. What about the bacteria? Increasing how much increases? Okay. So as per this statement, simply as this, while law of chemical conversion states that dN by dt is proportional to number of bacteria. So that is simply we can write dN by dt is equal to, so here increasing, so Kn by variable separable dN by n is equal to k dt. And next on integrating, simply we can write integral dN by n is equal k integral dt. So this is nothing but log n is equal k into integral dt is nothing but t plus constant log c. And next log n minus log c is equal kt. And if you observe that this is in the form of log a minus log b, simply we can write log a by b. So log n by c is equal kt. And next n by c is equal e power kt. So that implies n is equal to what? C e power kt. N is equal c e power kt. So this is the first equation. So if you observe previous three problems, the same as it is, no, n is equal c power kt. Now first you take the initial condition. So at time t is equal to 0, the number of bacteria is how many grams? 200 grams. So n is equal 200 grams. Now you can substitute in equation 1. Then simply what will get? 200 is equal c into e power k into 0. Then 200 is equal c into e power 0. So 200 is equal c into e power 0 is nothing but 1. So c is equal 200. Now you can substitute this c in equation 1. Then simply what will get? N is equal 200 into e power kt. So let it be taken as equation 2. Now you take the second condition. So second condition is nothing but from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. How many hours there it is having? Total 3 hours. So for that, at t is equal 3 hours. 3 hours, the number of bacteria increases to what? 500 grams, right? So 500 grams. And now you can substitute in equation 2. Then 500 is equal 200 into e power k into time 3 hours. And then simply take the 200 into the left hand side. There it is multiplying. When it comes to this side, division. So e power 3k. So here it is 5 by 2. And 5 by 2 is equal to e power 3k. Taking log on both sides. So log 5 by 2 is equal to log e power 3k. Log e power 3k. And then, so log 5 by 2 is equal. So this is in the form of log a power m, and simply we can write m log a. So 3k into log e. So log e base c is equal to 1. So then log 5 by 2 is equal 3k. And that implies k is equal 1 by 3 into log 5 by 2. 1 by 3 into log 5 by 2. So this is the value of k. Now we need to take the time for calculating number of bacteria. So at when t is equal 6 hours. 6 hours, why? Because 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. That is nothing but 6 hours. The number of bacteria n is equal. Just we can take equation to 200 into e power kt. So n is equal 200 into e power k into t is nothing but 6. So that is 200 into e power 6 into k is nothing but, here it is, 1 by 3 into log 5 by 2. 1 by 3 into log 5 by 2. Then here it is 200 into, so e power, so this is nothing but 3 2s are, right? So 2 log 5 by 2. 2 log 5 by 2. So 200 into, so this is nothing but m log a, simply we can write log a power m. So that is nothing but log 5 by 2 whole square. So 200 into e power log a is nothing but a, that is 5 by 2 whole square. So therefore n is equal, simply what we can write, 200 into, so this is 25 by 4. So 25 by 4. So then simply we can got it as n is equal, this is nothing but 1249.8 grams. That is simply, which is approximately, that is 1250 grams. N is equal 1250 grams. Right. Go to next. So this is different than the previous problems. Let us see that. So very important model. This is also one of the important model. So bacteria in a culture. Bacteria in a culture grows exponentially. Grows in a sense, obviously this is also increasing exponentially, so that the initial number has doubled. The initial number has doubled in 3 hours. In 3 hours. How many grams? How many grams? How many times? How many times the initial number will be present after 9 hours. After 9 hours. So this is the question. Okay. So what is the difference between previous problems and this problem? So bacteria in a culture grows exponentially, so that the initial number. So till now what we saw, they mentioned specific number like as 100 grams, 200 grams, like that they mentioned. But if you observe in this problem, they didn't mention any specific number. Just they are saying, they gave the one condition. Initial number has doubled in 3 hours. Initial number has doubled in 3 hours. In 3 hours, how many times the initial number will be present after 9 hours? So it means that initial number, we don't know that. Simply you can choose that initial number is nothing but, suppose I am choosing as n1. Okay, initial number I am choosing as n1. And next what they mentioned, has doubled in 3 hours. Has doubled in 3 hours. It means what is the condition they mentioned? When t is equal to 3 hours, the number of bacteria is doubled. So has doubled initial number, that is nothing but 2n1. So this is nothing but first condition. Okay, initially vachesariki entamma n1 initial, and after 3 hours it is having doubled to n1. And what they asked to calculate, when t is equal to 9 hours, and initial number is how many times this is. So this is how many times it is present. So this is the information. Only the difference between those problems and these problems, they mention specific number, but here it is, they didn't mention specific number. We are choosing only n1 as the initial number. Okay. So based on that, simply what we can write. So dn by dt is proportional to same as this n, and then dn by dt is equal kn, and then so dn by n is equal k dt, k dt, and next on integrating, simply what we'll get, log n is equal kt plus log c, kt plus log c, and take that log c into this side, log n minus log c is equal kt, and then log a by b, log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b is equal to kt, that is n by c is equal e power kt. So it means simply n is equal to what, c into e power kt. So that implies n is equal c into e power kt. So k e power kt, let it be taken as 1. So this is the one. Now you take the initial number. So that is nothing but when t is equal to 0. What about n, number of bacteria? We don't know that. That's why we chosen as n1. And now you can substitute in that. So n is equal, n1 is equal c into e power ktm. So k into 0. So that is nothing but n1 is equal c into e power k into 0 is nothing but 1. So that is nothing but c equal to n1. We can substitute that one in equation 1. Then n is equal to n1 into e power kt. Let we take it as 2. Now you take another condition. What is the another condition? At t is equal 3 hours. At t is equal to 3 hours, n is equal to how much? 2n1. N is equal to n1. Very good. So Sait is very good. Already said 2n1. And then now you can substitute that one. So if you substitute here, what we'll get in equation 2? So 2n1 is equal n1 into e power k into 3 time 3 hours. So here it is n1, n1 both will cancel, and then 2 is equal to e power 3k, e power 3k, taking log on both sides. Then log 2 is equal log e power 3k. So this is in the form of log 2 is equal m log a power m, and simply we can write m log a. So 3k log e. So log 2 is equal 3k. So since log e base is equal to 1, that implies k is equal, simply what we can write, 1 by 3 into log 2. 1 by 3 into log 2. Okay. And now you can take another one. So when t is equal, so what about that? When t is equal to 9 hours. When t is equal to 9 hours. T they mentioned. Now we need to find number of bacteria. That is t is equal to 9 hours. Second condition, n is equal to n1 into e power ktm. So this is the second equation. We are going to calculate n. So n1 into e power kt. So k is nothing but what? 1 by 3 into log 2. And t is nothing but 9. So this is equal to n1 into e power. So this is nothing but 3 and 9 by 3. So 9 by 3 log 2